You can easily make changes and modifications to an existing activity in FunShine Digital. First, be sure you're in edit mode on the calendar page. Today's lesson plans have an art activity that I'd like to modify. It's called Art My Craft Stick Family. To edit an activity, click Edit an Activity below the calendar. This page shows a list of the activities on your calendar this week. Search for the activity you want to edit in two ways. The easiest way is to enter the activity name or keywords from the activity name and click the search button. Another way you can search is to scroll down the list of this week's activities and find it that way. Let's enter part of the title, Craft Stick, to find the activity. Then click Search. Once you've located the activity you want to edit, click the Copy button to the left of the title. This creates a copy of the activity and adds the activity to today's date, but you'll be able to change that if you'd like. This is the page where you can edit an activity. Let's take a quick look at the things you can edit. Select the date allows you to choose the date you would like for the activity to appear in your calendar. If this is an activity that will repeat, select Yes in the drop-down. Select how often the activity will repeat and set an end date. Next, select the calendar row for your activity by choosing from the drop-down menu. As far as the activity details, you're able to change the title and the activity summary. You can also modify the materials needed area by changing, adding, or even deleting materials to collect. You also have the ability to change, add to, or delete activity instructions. Any changes you make will show up when you preview your activities from your calendar. Let's add some individualization strategies to the end of this activity. As you can see, I've added to the activity instructions. Be sure to use initials to protect child privacy if you're planning to print your lesson plans. When you're finished making changes to the activity, click Save. In Calendar Edit mode, you'll see your newly edited activity with the title underlined. Notice that the original activity still appears in your lesson plans as well. Click and drag it to the folder to remove it from your plans. If you need to move your edited activity, click on the title, change the date, click Save, and then go back to your calendar to see the change. Finally, click on the day you chose for your updated activity to appear. Scroll down to see the changes you made. If you have any questions about editing a FunShine Digital activity, please don't hesitate to contact us.